Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to transfer money from PayPal to Jazzcash in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just managing your finances across borders, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account with some funds and a verified Jazzcash account linked to your mobile number in Pakistan. Also, keep in mind that direct transfers might not be available, so we'll use a reliable method involving bank intermediaries, as regulations can change. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Go to your wallet and select Withdraw Funds. You'll need to link a bank account that supports international transfers. Choose one that's connected to your local bank in Pakistan. Once selected, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. This might take 1 to 3 business days to process. Step 2. After the funds hit your local bank account, open your banking app and transfer the money to your Jazzcash wallet. In your bank's app, find the option for interbank transfers or mobile wallet funding. Select Jazzcash as the recipient. Enter your Jazzcash mobile number, and specify the amount. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 3. Once the transfer from your bank to Jazzcash is initiated, you'll get a confirmation via SMS or the Jazzcash app. It usually processes instantly or within a few minutes. Remember, there might be some fees involved, so check the exchange rates and charges beforehand to avoid surprises. A quick tip. Always use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to keep your money safe. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, contact customer support for both PayPal and Jazzcash. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Jazzcash in 2025. It's easier than you think once you know the ropes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.